there.
We finally made it! These crops won't grow themselves, and Kiki's on the job. Let's roll!
It's very dry. See how it crumbles. We need to find the watering can.
Almost done. This compost is the best. Look at that, perfect. Time for a banana break. Gotta make these ridges high and wide so the little peppers can grow inside. Scoop, scoop, scoop the healthy dirt. Nice and firm. You'll be the best peppers in the whole garden.
Wow, these leaves look amazing. Nice and green, no spots at all. We are doing a great job taking care of them.
Here you go, little peppers. Eat up. This organic mix will make you strong and tasty. Time for Kiki's special spray. Get out of here, you bugs. All clean now. Up you go, up you go. Stay right there so you can grow, grow, grow. The pepper flowers are finally blooming. Smells like adventure. Yes, baby peppers, we did it.
Wow, look at them go! From green to bright red, just like magic. These are going to be the best peppers ever.
Ooh, nice and squishy. These peppers are almost perfectly ripe. This beauty.
Be harvesting, everyone. Look at these beauties. Step right up, folks. These beauties were picked this morning. Sweet and crunchy, just for you.
This is the perfect spot. I'm gonna grow the best carrots here.
This soil needs some work before I can plant carrots.